In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the appearance settings, what each option does, and how to pick a look that feels comfortable and consistent with your device. First, launch Microsoft Edge. If it's already open, you're ready to go. The features I'm showing are part of the standard settings, so what you see should closely match what I describe. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots, sometimes called the Settings and More menu. This opens a panel with the tools and options you use most often. From that menu, choose Settings. Edge will open a new tab dedicated to your preferences so you can make changes without leaving your browsing session. On the left-hand sidebar, click Appearance. This page controls how Edge looks and feels, including overall light and dark modes and the accent colors used across tabs, the toolbar, and the address bar. You'll see a section labeled Overall Appearance, which is where the global theme lives. Here, you have three choices. System default matches whatever theme your operating system is using. If your computer automatically switches between light and dark at sunset and sunrise, Edge will follow along. This is great if you want a consistent look across all your apps without managing each one separately. Light sets the browser to a bright white and gray theme. It keeps interface elements crisp and high contrast during the day. If you prefer maximum brightness and a clean traditional look, this is a solid option. Dark switches the browser frame, menus, and settings pages to darker tones that are easier on the eyes in low-light environments. It can reduce glare and may feel more comfortable for longer reading sessions at night. Keep in mind, this changes the browser interface. Individual websites may still control their own appearance unless they support dark styles. Below Overall Appearance, you'll find a set of built-in color themes. These add personality and can improve visibility by highlighting the active tab and toolbar accents. Click through the options to preview changes instantly. You can stop as soon as a color feels right for your workflow. If you spend hours in your browser, consider a color that keeps text and icons readable and doesn't distract from the page content. You can always change your mind later and pick a different theme without affecting your bookmarks or settings. That's it. Open Edge. Head to Settings. Choose Appearance. Set your overall theme, and finish with a color theme that fits your style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your customized Microsoft Edge.